Oh, look at that. Moist, tender pork, crispy skin. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we are using the HYSapientia air fryer. We are going to make crispy pork. This is lazy man's cooking using the functions on this air fryer, and the results are off the charts. It's delicious. So let's show you how to do it. Okay, we've got a nice piece of pork belly here, look. We don't want that in there. Let's get rid of that pork fat. That comes out straight away. Now, it's a little bit of an odd shape. And what we need to do, we need to cut it to fit that tin. So it wants to be cut off about there, somewhere about there. So let's have that off there. And then we'll use that for something else. Take that off there. So we've got this fairly square piece of pork belly, and that's what we're going to use. So what we need to be doing, we want to be just lightly coming through there. Take it through, so when we've cooked it, we can just slice through. We want about inch-sized pieces. Now don't go all the way through and through the skin. Nice and gently like that. So over there with some salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Now you can season it with anything you want. That's entirely up to you. Take some tin foil. Put our pork on that tin foil. Now we want skin side up this time. Fold that over. Now all we're doing with this, like an aluminium tray around our pork, and that's going to stop the pork from burning. I can't do it the wrong way around. Fold the sides in like you're wrapping a parcel. Now I can turn it round. And then just fold it up. Now it doesn't have to be super neat. Can't do it the wrong way around, but anyway. Fold in, fold in, fold up. And that's going to hold it all together in there. And that's our pork wrapped in our not so very neat tin foil. Now take our tray, I'm going to whack that in there. Now I did say this is lazy man's cooking. There's a little bit of oil on there and some salt. So that's our pork prepped. What we're going to do, we're going to go in the air fryer and we're going to do it 140 for 15 minutes. And that's going to give us a soft top on there. It'll start to cook. Then we're going to pierce it and put it back in. So get that in there. In there, on. You know the bake setting's already set at 140, so let's go to the bake setting, already there, and then we can alter the timer. Alter the timer down to 15 minutes. Press start, leave it. Now I've got one of these gadgets here, you know, where all those spikes stick out of the end, and it is really for injecting a brine into something, but I'm going to use that to pierce this skin. So we're just going to all over this skin. tad more salt, not much, and that is going back in the oven for about 20 minutes at 230. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go for the toast setting. So on the toast setting we've got 230 and we're going to go for a time of 20 minutes. Hit start, job done. Okay, so there we are. Let's have that out of there. Flip it round, and I'm going to put that back in there for about another 5 minutes and see what happens. It's a little bit soft in one place. Oh, look at that. Just bob that on there to cool down. Now that really is lazy man cooking, you know. This has done all the work. One of my favourite bits of gear in the kitchen at the moment. That is absolutely rock hard on the top of there. All we need to do now is let it cool down a bit and then we'll cut some slices. That is crispy pork, lazy man's way. We didn't cover it in vinegar, we didn't boil it, we didn't put it in the fridge overnight. We shoved it straight in there and cooked it in one go. That is fantastic for the short time that we've done that in. Okay, it's rested a little minute there. I think we can take this out. Oh, that looks perfect. Oh, look at that. Moist, tender pork, crispy skin. Is absolutely delicious. Soft tender pork, fantastic flavour. It's juicy, it's moist and crispy skin. That is lazy man's crispy pork made. Now if you like what we're doing, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe, share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video.